Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you a recent purchase I made in a YouTube auction from this Ivy Vintage Market, and it's just amazing. The prices were unreal. They really were very good for what I got. So this was a lot, so I bought it as a single lot. And the first item in here, I bought all this stuff to make journal jewelry with, to put on my junk journals, but I love this cording. I think I'm going to try to figure a way to make this into a closure on a journal. And look at this. Won't this make a beautiful tassel? It is just awesome. Stunning. And it's on both sides of the pendant. I don't know if it's showing very well, but it's got like a rose gold and a deeper, I'm not going to say purple because it isn't, but anyway, I hope it's showing because it's really gorgeous. And then I bought this comb that I'm going to take some of these off and turn into a bookmark, and it's a beautiful butterfly. And the next thing in the lot was a, this goes on like a string, a rope tie, and it's a butterfly, so this is going to become part of a closure on one of my journals. These are post earrings, which are going to become brads on my journals. And let's see, there's a pair of them. And then there was this pair, which I really love. I don't wear big jewelry, but I wanted this for journal jewelry. Well, these look cute on the spine. And they're also post earrings. Okay, I'll go this way. This is a pin that's just going to become, you know, just journal jewelry. Probably on a spine, I'm thinking. It may go on a page. Then there was this pendant. Isn't it gorgeous? I mean, I'm in love with it. It has like an oriental vibe to it. But it is gorgeous, and it would look great on the spine of a larger journal. And then there was this cross bookmark. And I absolutely loved it. I thought it was gorgeous. I'm not going to tell you exactly what I paid, but I will tell you that I got all of these pieces for less than $25. And, I mean, it's good quality stuff, guys. This isn't Dollar Tree stuff. This is good stuff. So check her channel out, and she is an eBay reseller, but a lot of the eBay resellers do auctions here on YouTube. And they always have, well, they don't always, but majority of them will have ephemera, which is just the vintage papers and books and stuff. Vintage postcards always, almost always, anyone I've been to yet has had them. So it's just a good source for you to pick up some extra ephemera that, you know, they don't sell at their eBay prices when they do an auction here on YouTube. But I'm very, very, very happy with this stuff. So thank you, Mary. I love every last piece of it. And it will be put to good use. And I'll do videos when I do use it. And hopefully you'll see them. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.